Hey and hello, welcome to my channel, The Wisdom Within Oracle. I am Nyx, back again with another reading. For those who haven't seen me, hey, how you doing? For those returning, my subscribers, you know who you are. Hey guys, hey guys, hey. So, without further ado, I shall begin. I already have the cards out and everything, so we shall start. So, Spirit has the first card out, clean it up. So we have a false person, wealthy man here, who is concerned that he will not be able to be free of his burden. So he needs to clean up. He needs to clean up stuff that no longer serves him anymore and is cluttering and in the way. You know, and he's like, I don't know if I can. I don't know if I have enough time to do this. I don't know if I can do this type thing. He doesn't know if he'll ever get free from this. But, yeah. He's very lonely. He's longing for love. He's had addictions in the past. He's trying to reclaim his power again. He's trying to heal his heart chakra. He's trying to heal himself. He's learning how to do such things. Yeah, he's had lots of burdens. It feels like he's stuck, like he's imprisoned. He has abundance, he has the entitlement, he has the wealth, he is the wealthy man, but you know, he just doesn't seem to have what he actually wants. He's longing for love here. So Archangel Gabriel is out, giving him the communication of all kinds to speak his truth, express himself, to be expressive. We have spiritual coming out. We have the collective coming out. We have an auntie who is a sweetheart coming out as well. Take it how it resonates. So this is what we got so far. So without further ado, let us get in more of the cards and see what else Spirit wants to talk about with this wealthy man here, false person. Spirit, give me more cards of this, about this wealthy man, false person, please and thank you. Yeah, there is a privileged lady coming out, so there's somebody that he wants. Yeah, he's really thinking about this. He's like, yeah, I want to change my life so I can be with her. Because Lord knows she's not gonna be with me if I don't change things, you know? He is considered the false person right now, so he could be possibly wanting to change that up. He has great fortune. He's got a gift or support coming up. Spirit, give me confirmation on the gift. Yeah. Yeah, somebody's talking about something. Making plans in the family room. Yeah, they're trying to make a decision. To come up and be supportive for this privileged lady. Be the support of this privileged lady. But they have a lot of work to do. And it could be exhausting. Yeah, they want a relationship with this person. This wealthy man. He wants a relationship with this privileged lady. Yeah. Okay, we got a main male coming out with family. Possibly he wants a family. He wants a relationship. Spirit, confirm. Is the child a new beginning? Yeah. So the union. He wants this relationship. He wants this relationship with this privileged lady he sees here. Yeah, she's got money too. And he's like, oh, I could come and be of support to her. I could, we could do things. He's trying to make a decision here. Yeah, he wants a family of his own. He doesn't have one. And it doesn't seem like it. Well, he has a family, but he doesn't have his own. So I'm getting that's what he wants. Spirit, show me more. Yeah, there's legal decisions to be made. He's thinking about it. There's a message to a main female of unexpected income. Could he be wanting to, does this wealthy man want to give this main female an unexpected income? Yeah, so he wants to give her some more money. Okay, he wants to be of support to her. Okay, this was coming up in the upright, but now it is flipped out quick in the reverse. So he doesn't want something to end. It's mostly saying goodbye. He doesn't want to say goodbye. Or he doesn't want her to say goodbye. He doesn't want her to... Spirit, is it he doesn't want her to say goodbye? Like he doesn't want her to... I'm getting give up on him or leave him. Yeah? Yeah, he wants to start a family with her. He doesn't want this privileged lady to give up on him or leave him or whatever. He wants them to start a family. Do some things. Maybe we can do something. We can do something. Maybe we can do something. Okay. Mature woman coming out here. Journey. Yeah, he's thinking about journeying towards her. But Spirit, with a despair card, he cannot. He cannot journey toward her. Yeah. Okay. Right now he can't. He doesn't have the means to. Oh. Is it because of his illness? Yeah. Okay, so right now, his illness is getting in the way of him doing what he wants to do. That's why he thinks he can never get out of it, to be free from it, because it is getting in the way of him journeying towards this privileged lady. Yeah, he had expectations to do so, but right now it's being kiboshed. Yeah, he's stuck. He had expectations to go and journey towards her, but he's stuck right now. He can't do it. He can't do it. Anything else, Spirit, with these cards? Anything else, Spirit? Yeah, I feel... He feels that it's taking away from him, like a thief. Like it's taking away from him. So, oh, he wanted to... Spirit, does he want to propose? Does he want to propose to her, Spirit? So because he can't journey towards her and do what he needs to do, he's letting it go. He's waiting. There's lack of direction. He's contemplating everything. Does he want to get married to her, Spirit? Yeah. So, but he feels like he can't do that because he's stuck. Oh, that sucks. He's stuck. Anything else, Spirit? Yeah, the needs aren't being met. He wanted to give her sudden wealth. Anything else, Spirit? With these cards? No? No? Okay. Okay. What you got with these ones, Spirit? That's so sad. Like, he wants to... Yeah, bad news. Oh, that's so sad. Snow could be relevant. Yeah, it could be like fucking storming outside too, with the snowstorm and shit, and he'd be like, I can't go anywhere. But it's not just the weather that's bad. Let's see. Could be snowing outside. Wintertime. Take it how it resonates. Capricorn could be significant. I'm getting he's a Capricorn. Something about hot. Something about the holidays could be significant. Yeah, there's obstacles he needs to pass. Narcissist. He could have been a narcissist back in the day. But he wants to change all that now for the wealthy man, the privileged lady. Yeah. He could have been deceptive before. Take it how it resonates. A text message could be significant. He could probably like want to communicate via text. Hmm. 555 could be significant. Somebody has 2 kids or more. There's caution. And there's a warlock. Somebody's got to move in silence. 111 could be significant. Somebody's in denial. A karmic masculine could be significant. Yeah, there's a message. There's something hidden beyond the veil here. Behind the veil. A brother could be significant. Somebody's doing blood magic with this warlock. Illness. Anger. Somebody wants to unalive somebody. I wonder if he has some ties with a freaking warlock. Spirit, does this wealthy man have ties with a warlock? Does this wealthy man have ties with a warlock, Spirit? Did he go to a warlock? I wonder why this warlock is there. Is this wealthy man a warlock? That came out quick. Yes. Okay, that's what it was. He's a warlock. So he be doing some interesting spells and shit. Drugs we have coming out right here. I was sitting right there. We got drugs. Well, he had addictive stuff going on. So, okay, yeah. Anger, narcissist. Show me more, Spirit. A cousin could be relevant. A brother and a cousin. A witch could be significant. 1111. Yeah, he's doing hoodoo. Interesting. 222 could be significant. Yep, he is the practitioner. 333 could be significant as well. Take it how it resonates. There's a Virgo. And there's confession. There's something about baby daddy. So somebody has kids. Does the wealthy man have kids, Spirit? Yeah, the wealthy... Okay, so he's got the 2 kids. Okay, so there's something about a confession coming out. Take it how it resonates. There's bad weather, just like I said. Yeah. Could be a fucking snowstorm, and he's like, fuck, I can't go anywhere. Death. Somebody wants to cause some death magic here. It's coming out twice. Like, somebody wants to do dark magic. Somebody wants to do something. An accomplice. Prison. Yeah, somebody wants to do something here. Makes me think that's why he's stuck and bedridden. Stuck! That's why he's stuck in bedridden. Yeah. Spirit, is this dark magic, what is it? Backfiring on him? Is that why he's stuck in bed? Yeah, he did some magic to a Queen of Cups. Oh, did he do some magic to freaking, what's this chick? This privileged lady to get him to like her, to get him to like him, and then it backfired. Now he's sick. There's conflict, clashes of ego. Okay, but is this dark magic the reason why he's sick? Ah, yes, it is. Okay. But did he do black magic to this privileged lady? Yes, he did he? He wants so bad to have her, but then you're sitting here doing black magic. Boy, with your stuck self. 444 could be significant. Spirit guides in the building. Somebody is a dark empath. A Cancer could be significant. Somebody's going through a divorce. Well, he has kids, apparently. Wanting to start a family with a whole fucking privileged lady here. But, so what is that decision in the courts? What he needs to do? Is that a divorce? Spirit, doesn't he need to get a divorce in order to be with this privileged lady? Does he need to? End of conflict. He needs to end his conflict. But is him and the privileged lady married? No. Okay, that's what I thought. But why is divorce there? Who's having a divorce? We'll continue. Show me more spirit, please. And thank you. Thank you. There's a Pisces coming out. A Virgo or Pisces. Somebody's cheating. Interesting. Excuse me. Well, who is this mature woman? Spirit, is the mature woman the privileged lady? Okay, the mature woman is the privileged lady. But who is this main female? Is the mature woman, privileged lady, the main female? Protect me. Okay, so the main female is not the mature woman, privileged lady. Okay, so is the main female married to the wealthy man? Yeah. Okay, so that's where he's getting the divorce from. So he wants to get a divorce. He's cheating because he wants to be with this other chick, this mature woman, aka privileged lady. And then he wants to be support to her. He wants to give her some money. He has an expectation to journey towards her. He's thinking about all that. He wants to start a relationship. He wants to start a family with her. He already has a family. He's got 2 kids with this. He's a baby daddy. He's got kids with this other chick, this main female. So what is he trying to go over to this girl? I thought you said you were lonely. I thought you said you were healing your shit. Well, all of a sudden now truth come out, huh? So you out here trying to cheat. You out here trying to get some ooh, the grass is much greener on that side. I'm gonna go over there. Now you causing a whole divorce. Now you say you stuck. Hey. These people, man. Show me some more spirit. There's a mother. Mother could be significant. Take it how to resonate. Somebody's miserable. But the Most High God is here. There's an email that could be significant. An uncle. And somebody is committing fraud. There's an Aquarius here coming out. Something happened in the wintertime. I said that. Bitter. Somebody's bitter. Somebody could be a star seed. Karmic family members could be significant. Yeah, a marriage. Well, he's rooting the marriage now. That's why he wanted to go towards this other privileged lady here. There's a sister coming out. A brother and a sister. Spell work. Yeah, he's doing hoodoo. A father coming out. Divine timing and spiritual death. Somebody's going through a rebirth. Yeah, I don't know what he's trying to do here. I don't know what he's trying. Yeah. Might as well stay where you are and not to journey towards the mature woman, privileged lady. Stay with your main female, but you're ruining things. You're ruining things anyway. I don't know. Stuck. Yeah, you stuck all right. You stuck at hiding secrets. You hiding secrets all right. No wonder. Most High blocking you. He cock blocking you. He's like, you're not going nowhere. You stayed right there. Go and work on your things. Clean it up. What you doing there? You need lots of things to do. You have lots of things to work on. You have lots of things. So stay in your bed right there. Sometimes spirit will just lock your ass down. Oh, you want to do all that, do you? We'll see how fast you'll be doing nothing in 2 seconds. Stuck on the bed, can't move. Now let's see all the stuff you're gonna do. Sit your ass down. That's what spirits say. Sit down. Be humble. Yeah, thinking of you. Yeah, he thinking of you all right. He thinking of you all right, privileged lady. Yeah. He cannot go and fix his own shit, but he thinking of you though. Why don't you go and give you money? Why don't you go and be a light in night, the knight in shining armor. The knight in shining armor, alright. Yeah, he wants to break up this union he's already got. Dude, go and sit down. Dude, go do some shadow work. Dude, work on your shit. Clean it up, Spirit said. Clean it up. You don't want to clean it up. Divine ancestors coming out. Yeah, there's a teenager. He could have a teenager. Yeah, he doing some dirty deeds, all right. 999 could be significant. A baby. Maybe he have a baby and a teenager. Yeah, he's hiding some secrets. Yep. Ay. He's thinking his path is clear to go. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, your path clear to go, all right. Does he have a baby and a teenager, Spirit? Okay. Is he wanting to have a baby with the privileged lady? Hopefully that hasn't happened yet. Has he already journeyed toward the privileged lady before? Because there's cheating. Defensive. Spirit, yes or no? Has he already journeyed toward the privileged lady before? Yeah. Okay, so he has. So that's where the cheating has started. Is she pregnant with his kid? Is she pregnant with his kid, Spirit? Okay, thank God. I was just gonna be like, I don't know. Well, there's baby there, but they might have a baby and a teenager though, or this baby could be coming later, and we just don't know yet. But he's already went to see her before. As Spirit had said, he already went to see her before. That's why he's cheating. But he's already gone before so many times. But he was trying to go again. But this time he can't because he's stuck. Bad weather, bad news, bad this, bad that. He's got to stay put. 888 could be significant. There's a promise. Somebody whispering sweet nothings. 1212. Yeah, it could be promising to get married. Baby mama. Could be promising to make them baby mama. 128 could be significant. Could be promising them to be baby mama. Could be like, oh yeah. A spirit. Is he? Hold on. Yeah, a child. We have a child coming out again. So is he like promising her that he's gonna have a baby with her and she become a baby mama with the privileged lady? Is he like promising that to her? Yes, the union, the attraction. He's promising shit. He's singing sweet nothings in her ear. Be like, bitch, I'm gonna get you pregnant and shit. And we can have a baby together. We're gonna have our own baby, you know. We're gonna have all our things together. I'm gonna start a new family with you. And I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna be supportive of you. You. Boy, sit down. You already have somebody else there. You already have that main female there. What you doing there? Here you are, come in. Oh, I'm gonna be supportive of you. No wonder you're a false person. The fuck? Oh yeah, I'm gonna be supportive of you. I'm gonna have a baby with you. Meanwhile, you already have a teenager out. You already have people. You already have kids. Meanwhile, you want more with some other person you there cheating with. You have too much downtime on your hand. You're doing voodoo. You're doing voodoo with the girl. Confirmation. Riblet, get out of the window. Riblet! Riblet, get out of the window. Riblet now. Riblet! So, they doing voodoo. He's too busy. Riblet! Nobody needs to hear you. Too busy saying sweet nothings in her ear, huh? Scorpio could be significant. We got Scorpio, Virgo, we got Aquarius. Yep, there needs protection. You need protection. from this crazy ass wealthy man. He's got the money to back his ass up, but he doing the most, I tell you. He doing the most. Anything else, Spirit? Yeah, he lying. Why you lying? Oh my God. Stop fucking lying. Yeah. He doing voodoo. He's communicating. He's communicating to that chick. Be like, oh yeah, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that, we're gonna have the world, girl. Girl. Something about you, girl. Yeah. They're gonna have all the world, eh? All the world. Ay, ay, ay. Spirit, you got anything else on this crazy ass friggin' circus train up in here? What else you got more? Yeah. Unexpected events and changes. Anything else, Spirit? Yeah, somebody needs to have some self-protection. Protection from this crazy ass. Hey, they need to take a break from all the hustle and bustle and recharge the batteries. Well, you need to recharge more than the batteries now. You need to recharge more than the batteries. Seriously, this guy's some other type of loco. Be like, oh my God, I'm going to go over here and live in my own little reality world. Where are you going? Oh, I'm gonna be with this privileged lady. Is that so? You have children to take care of now. You busy going with somebody else. Busy. Yeah, that's what you're doing there. Get out of here with that shit. Anything else, Spirit? Yeah, this is some quick moving energy. Quick motherfucker. He fast. Fast. Sagittarius could be significant. Libra. Some craziness, man. Anything else, Spirit, before we lock it up? Nope. Okay. Then we shall leave it here. If this crazy ass story helped you, or you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and a nice like. And if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to see when I post some videos. And take a look at the rest of the videos that I got, if you have not. And as always, I will see you in the next one. This was some crazy ass shit. Anyway, peace.